Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Peakfinder mobile app works. Peakfinder is a geography and outdoors focused app designed to identify mountains and peaks in real time using your phone's camera and GPS. It's ideal for hikers, mountaineers, and nature enthusiasts who want to know what peaks they're looking at while exploring the outdoors. The app uses augmented reality to overlay mountain names onto your camera view as you pan across the landscape. It works completely offline, using your device's GPS location to render a 360-degree panoramic view of all the visible mountains and peaks around you. Users can tap on individual peaks to get elevation data, view sunrise and sunset times, and explore the surrounding terrain in 3D. Peakfinder covers more than 1 million peaks worldwide, making it one of the most comprehensive mountain identification apps available. Pros of the app include its ability to work offline, which is crucial when you're in remote areas with no signal. The 3D terrain models are accurate, and the AR view is responsive and immersive. It also has a lightweight file size despite covering global topography. On the downside, the app can be a bit tricky to calibrate at times, especially if your phone's sensors are off. Some users have also noted that the interface could be more intuitive, particularly for first-time users. Real user feedback highlights the app's impressive database and offline capabilities. Many users mention that it enhances hiking experiences by letting them identify peaks instantly. Others appreciate the educational value it brings to outdoor adventures. However, a few users have pointed out occasional accuracy issues when aligning the AR view with the real landscape, especially on older devices or in low visibility conditions. In conclusion, Peakfinder is a must-have mobile app for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy hiking, climbing, or simply learning about their surroundings. With global coverage and offline functionality, it's a powerful tool for peak identification and adds a layer of insight to any mountain trip. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.